Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Khana Sarkar Padang Dr. Sanjeev Balian upapai ikatnat Animal Husbandry, Fisheries and Dairying ha ka jingalang markmat kabla long ha ka arpenyau terik panai naitung arajar kat khandai ba kinong ridon kumju kinong ri jingri na ka jala Meghalaya ulapan pangawi ka jing saudiau halor ka jing penmi tuna sebab palat ka Meghalaya ka don ka balong tangsan poin arpunriu na ka sispa Uni Menteri Khana Sarkar Padang ulawan jingoi ka Meghalaya lai singi kenti ulalit jingoi ya ki jaka ri masi khamdon ha opa Shillong bat kumju ru ya ka jaka samdon kabadan ha maulai moyong Shillong ha kini jing lang kabla long ha conference hall jong ka office Directorate of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Shillong Uni Menteri Khana Sarkar Padang ula pani ka jing terwa na ka office jong ka Directorate of Animal and Husbandry ban pha ya ka jing terwa sya ka ministry na ka patapan mang pisa ban china khambun shu ki laboratory ha ka jila Meghalaya Hagni jing lang na kaliang kinong ri jing ri ba kinong rap kajala kilapan pau bat kilapan sngo ru laki jong ki jing e ba kidon hakabai dei ba kam ri jing ri kabalong kawai ni kilat kamai ban psa ba pendap ki jing don kam jong yeng asam
There will be 300 farms and it will be managed by cooperative. It's a unique project. I have come here to discuss about this project because the ministry is keen to sanction this project to help the Meghalaya people in pig development. Today I go to the semen station here in poultry farm, the government poultry farm, the cattle farm. The Meghalaya government also require bulls for semen production because in Meghalaya the AI is very less, average about 5%. But I will congratulate Meghalaya government. It's the first, it's the highest rate given to the farmers, dairy farmers, about 42 rupees per kg. And we have to develop animal husbandry here. Here is a large scope of animal husbandry because we import milk, we import pig, we import piggery, we import eggs from Andhra Pradesh. So we have to develop our poultry, our piggery, our dairy. And we are very keen to help the Meghalaya to develop this because as our Prime Minister says, up to 2022 we have to double farmer income, and I think can be double only by animal husbandry and fishing. We have to make a formulation of cheap feed cost. Some of the institutes have done this previously, and we have to reduce the feed cost. I have got information from all the farmers and veterinarians that feed cost is high here. So I will see it, I will discuss it with scientists tomorrow. And one of the farmers has said that previously the government gave subsidy on this, now but it's a matter of state government. I can't comment on this. But yes, this is a problem, we will address this. Animals mandate and it's state subject. We help them as far as concerned all project basis about the grants and all other things. And if animals had died and from NDRF, we can help the farmers. If state government send report to the central government, I will try that farmer get compensation of this if animal died.